Metabolism is the process by which the body changes food and drink into energy. A person's metabolism is the rate at which their body burns calories for energy. The speed of metabolism depends on age, activity levels, genetics, and other factors. However, there are several effective ways you can get fast metabolism naturally. Here are 5 different ways you can start boosting your metabolism from today. Let's take a look. How to speed up metabolism naturally. Eat whenever you feel hungry. Follow a meal plan that meets your needs. If you're worried about overeating, eating 6 small meals might be a good option for you. If you prefer eating in bigger portions, a 3-meal schedule might be the best choice. According to experts, athletes tend to do better with a small portion meal plan, spread throughout the day. Eat protein-rich foods. Eating food can temporarily increase your metabolism for a few hours. This is called the thermic effect of food, or TEF. Protein causes the largest rise in TEF. Eating protein-rich food has been shown to give you a greater sense of fullness and prevent you from overeating. Drink lots of cold water. Cold water can give your metabolism a quick boost. According to studies, drinking 10 ml of cold water can boost your metabolism for about 40 minutes. Water also helps you lose weight and keep it off. It increases your metabolism and helps fill you up before meals. Stand up once every 30 minutes. Standing can tone your muscles and increase your metabolism. Try to switch between sitting and standing every 30 minutes. Low-intensity activities, like standing, play an important role in your metabolism. Switch to a standing desk at work, or take plenty of standing breaks throughout the day. Try high-intensity workouts. High-intensity workout involves quick and very intense bursts of activity. To get started, do sprinting, biking, or swimming for at least 10 minutes a day. Hope this video helped. For more free health tips and live a healthy lifestyle, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.